AB girl, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiyani. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today's video, we're going to be talking all about my glute and hamstring workout, what I do to grow these legs, and what I do to grow this little wagon that I'm dragging. Okay, all of it. I'm starting out with some dynamic stretching. I'll have a video coming up on this really soon, so make sure you be on the lookout for that. I'm also not going to ramble too much throughout this part because there's really nothing to talk about. So yeah. First things first, we are doing some seated abductions. This is going to really work the outside of your glutes and also open up your hips a little bit. And we're going straight into my warm-up set for my deadlifts, my RDLs. I love using a lighter weight just to kind of like get my glutes and my hamstrings fired up. So if you don't do that before you actually get into lifting the heavy weight, something's wrong with you and you can hurt yourself, so don't do that. I like to do legs 2 to 3 times a week. Monday is normally my quad day, Wednesday is normally my glute and ham day, Friday sometimes it's just an extra day, or I might throw in a full body but I'm still hitting legs during that day. Now we're on my working set. I wasn't lifting crazy, like super heavy this day, only because, well, honestly, I don't really know. I just wasn't really feeling it. So I was just like, 60 pounds is pretty good for me. But, always remember just to do what works for you. If you watch this video, just because I'm doing 60 pounds, that doesn't mean that you have to do 60 pounds. So just start wherever you're comfortable.
She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker.
Moving on to reverse lunges. These are the exercise that I hate the most. I do not like doing lunges. I despise doing lunges. But I do them anyway, because if you want to get the cup underneath your booty, okay, if you want your booty to booty, then you need to do lunges. I think I did 10 on each leg, and I did like 3 sets. I pretty much did 3 sets, like 3 to 4 sets of everything. So again, do what works for you. If 4 sets don't work, if 3 sets don't work, then do 2. Doesn't matter.
She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Damn.
My nigga, we really poppin' this shit for real, nigga. No cap, no rap cap. I took the top off, I'm trippin' like hot sauce. I got jackets clean raw, baby give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can do this without y'all.
Hamstring curls are my favorite. I feel like they give me a lot of definition in my hamstrings, and it's a way for me to just really target them without having to do much. You know, I get to sit down and just move my legs. This is probably the laziest workout the laziest exercise I will ever do in my life. Okay, but as you see my face, just because it's easy, that don't mean nothing. I'm still dying. I'm still hurting. The pain you see all in my face.
Niggas sending me threats. I done bought them the best. I'm protecting my flesh. Look on my place. Been the front of my head. Can never be the tech. I should know I can see now. I got back on my feet now. I got taking my team down. Want my whole team down. Niggas hate, I don't see how. Made it out of the dumb south. And I don't even know how. About to pull me a bin down. I took the top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce. I got jackets clean raw. Let me give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can do this without y'all. I don't look like I'm locked off. I go back to the trap house. Spread that bitch in the belt down.
Now, this is where the real magic happens. Hip thrusts are the greatest creation ever. Right now, I'm warming up. I'm doing just the bar. I'm making sure my form is good. You know, it's important to do all these things. But yeah, I freaking love hip thrusts.
I've been bringing these hoes out. Gonna get in his zone now. Need a green salad. Yeah, niggas still resting. But this got me relaxing. Hope you're gold petty. Flying on flesh. Yeah, nigga be happy. Tell me your profession. Get back and active. Why I sell legends? I shit that I can see now. I got back on my feet now. I got taking my team down. Want my whole team down. Niggas hate, I don't see how. Made it out of the dumb south. And I don't even know how. About to put me a bin down.
You definitely want to make sure that you keep that chin tucked so you can keep your spine neutral. I don't want y'all out here breaking y'all backs, okay? I don't. So if you don't take anything from this video, just take that little tip that I just told you. Keep that chin tucked at all times. Who cares if you have a double chin? Who cares? And as you see on my face, I died and then came back to life to do it again, you know? It's all a part of working out.
I feel like a dog, I can't have a pee. Keep it pee, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a pretty clean, boost your self-esteem. I get tough in the moment, so I feel like baby king. Wasn't jacked, the boss said it, so I just like baby D. Bitch, I'm cold, pussy awesome, like you know it's giving cream. I got hope, when it's not enough, come build a nigga team. I need you.
I got 45s on. The last one was 25s. I definitely could have put more on here, but like I said, I did not feel like lifting heavy today, so I just did what I felt comfortable with. Was that right? I don't know. But yeah, just always remember to listen to your body, okay? Always remember to listen to your body, and you will be fine.
TLC, though I'm finna creep my phone on D&D. That's my song, but that did the beat up, but that did the street. You ain't P, but you know you beat to me, he beat his me.
y'all see that quad and hamstring separation? Do y'all see that leg? This is me trying to get my boyfriend's attention so he could turn the camera for me because it was a little off center. But do y'all see that leg? I am just in awe with myself. Apparently, I don't ever know like how quote unquote big I am because I see myself in the mirror every day. And to some people, I might not look big, but from where I came from, if you watch my fitness journey video, then you would know that I was very tiny, had nothing, okay? So yeah, I'm doing cable pull-throughs. I love this exercise so much. This is a burnout, so I'm doing this at the end of all of my actual like exercises that I had planned. This is just to kill myself even further, honestly. It's just for fun. Yeah, I feel like it's just super underrated. If you want that shelf booty, if you want the top of your butt to protrude out like a capital P, then you need to be doing these, okay?
She got a don't. 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 Shake it out, 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 wow, shake it out, wow, shake it out, wow, shake it out, wow. Verse 2, I'm back in this thing. I see that upper bottom hanging out that G-string. I'm on fire, hot to my legs. Hold the what tell 'em. Me and my compadres, that's on deck, girls on deck. Now that I'm on a rab up next, hung up my phone and I cash my check. Now it's time to party, girl, get something wet. Wow, she got a don't, she got a don't.
But that is all I have for you guys. So again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Shake it out, shake it out, wow, shake it out, wow, shake it out, wow, shake it out, wow, wow. Get low to the flow, lower. Get low to the flow, lower. Get low to the flow, lower. Get low to the flow, beat it, get 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 it, beat it, get it, get it, get it, beat it, get it, get it, get it. Do the grown, do the grown.